In this video, you'll learn how to download a folder from Google Drive to your computer without it being zipped using Google Drive for Desktop. If you've ever tried downloading a folder directly from the Google Drive website, you've probably noticed it automatically compresses it into a zip file. That can be inconvenient, especially if the folder is large or if you don't want to deal with unzipping it afterwards. So in this tutorial, we'll use the Google Drive for Desktop app to get around that and bring folders down exactly as they are. First, you'll need to have Google Drive for Desktop installed and set up on your computer. This is the application that syncs your Google Drive with a folder on your PC, letting you work with your cloud files as if they were regular files on your hard drive. If you don't already have it, you can download it from Google's official site and sign in with your Google account. Once it's installed and running, you should see a Google Drive entry appear in your File Explorer. Now, let's start the process. Go ahead and open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left side panel where you see options like this PC and other folders. In that left-hand panel, click on Google Drive. Depending on your setup, it might appear under Quick Access or under this PC, but the name will clearly say Google Drive. When you click it, you're essentially looking at your online Google Drive, but in a way that feels just like browsing local folders. Next, navigate through your Google Drive just as you normally would. Browse through your folders until you find the one you want to download without zipping. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct folder, especially if you have similar names or nested folders. Once you've found the folder you want, you're going to copy or move it to another location on your PC. You have a couple of simple options. One way is to right-click on the folder, choose Copy, then go to the destination on your computer, right-click in an empty space, and choose Paste. Another way is to click and drag the folder from your Google Drive section directly into a folder on your computer, such as your Documents or Desktop. As you do this, Google Drive for Desktop will start downloading the contents of that folder from the cloud to your computer in the background. The key advantage here is that it does not compress the folder into a zip file. Instead, it keeps the original folder structure intact with all the subfolders and files ready to use immediately. Depending on the size of the folder and your internet connection, this transfer might take a little time. You can usually see progress indicators in the system tray icon for Google Drive, which shows when files are syncing. Once it's finished, you'll have a regular folder on your computer, exactly matching the one in your Google Drive without any extra unzipping steps. And that's all there is to it. By using Google Drive for Desktop and File Explorer, you can quickly download entire folders without them being zipped, keeping your files easy to access and ready to use right away.